Okay, hi. So in the document that you have listed few points, so I have made the flows according to them. So here, like you have mentioned, first you will create a project on Dropbox, and you want to create a new item in Podio with the same details. Okay, so we have made a zap for that. Create Dropbox item in Podio. So what it does, it checks at the root directory of your Dropbox that whether a project is created or not. But here, like we have to mention in which location you want to check the project is created. So either you can select a folder in which the zap will check whether the project is created or not. So here I have mentioned that at the root location, the slash indicates that the root location. So whenever a new project is added in the root location, the zap will run. Okay, so location means like this would be a root location, and if you wanted it to be inside any folder, you can select from here dot fire, suppose dot fire. So now whenever you will create a project in this root directory, the zap will not run, but whenever you will create a new project in dot fire folder, then only the zap will run. Okay, so once you have added a project in this directory, in the root directory, the zap will run, and a new item will get created in this project app. And simultaneously, when a new project is added in this Podio app, we wanted to create a new project, you can say, in Toggl, so that the user can log their time. So here's the another zap for that. Create Toggl task. So what it does, whenever new item creates in Podio app, it just create it in Toggl also. So whenever a new it depends on you. Either you can follow the full way by creating a new item in Dropbox, it will create automatically the item in Podio, then the zap will again run because the new item is creating in the Podio. So it will create new item in Toggl also. Either you can go step by step, you can directly create an item in Podio, it will also generate a new item in Toggl. So when you will create a new item in project, it will take the job number from here and creates the item in Toggl. Let me show you the whole scenario once. Zap also takes some time to run. Okay, so if you are creating a new folder here and at the same time you are checking here whether the item is created not, so it would be possible that zap till that time won't run. It will take 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so you have to wait for some time. And same is the case with Toggl. If you are creating an item here and checking whether a new project is created in Toggl or not, so just check the history of zap whether the zap is run or not. So it takes some time. I just wanted to say it takes some time. Well, I mean 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes sometime. So let's say I am going to create a new project here. Test. Okay, so as this is the root directory, I'm adding a new project, so zap will run. Here you will see, maybe it would not run now. I've created the project. Okay, so in the task history, here you will see that the zap will run, and the name of our zap is create Dropbox item in Podio. So Yeah, as I said, it will take some time, so you may check it after some time. It will create a new item here, and when a new item will create here, automatically this flow will run, because the basic of this flow is when a new item creates in Podio, so simultaneously this flow will also run. It would also take 15 minutes approx. Here it is also mentioned that the zap will automatically share for the Podio new item will create every 15 minutes. So then you may check in the projects tab that whatever the name of the project is, in our case it is test, a new project will be created here. And now when it comes to logging the time, you will, when you will get that item here populated, just go to it, and for this button you have to add a add-on. Like I'm using Firefox, so I went to the add-ons portion and searched about Toggl, so it gave me this, then I installed. So from that time it is appearing like this. So when you will hit the start button, it will show you all the list of the projects that you have in the Toggl site, and from here you may either write any description or select tag and start the timer. So when you will start the timer, here it starts. From here you just need to select the project on which you are working. So this is how it works. So same is the case with Google Chrome also. For that also we do have extensions, you just need to install it. So I think we have covered almost everything. Please let me know if you have any doubt. You can check after some time that the flow has run or not in this section. It will create an item in projects tab also, projects app also. So thank you.